Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB. This boat is a tri-tune with a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. It has the metallic silver panel color with the ocean blue accent. Thomas is going to walk around the outside of the boat real quick and give you guys another look, and then he'll hand the phone up to me so I can show you the inside.
Hey, come on in, let me show you around. This boat does have the graphite interior with the ocean blue diamond pressed interior accent. I really like this seating arrangement. You've got the speakers and the charging ports located right in the seat cutouts. We have a wraparound seating and cockpit table with a reversible backrest for the lounger. Cup holders there in the back. Check out the console on this boat. It's got the built-in Simrad dash that has GPS and chart plotter. Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. Very comfortable laid out controls. Standard 10-foot bimini top and full cover included. This boat will also have a ski tow bar and a 150 horsepower Yamaha motor on it. And we've got tons of Benningtons in stock. Please come by and see us at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.